Welcome YouTubers, and today we're going to be doing a DVD unboxing and review of Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Welcome to the neighborhood. We'll start after this.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Now, welcome to the unboxing and review. DVD is called Welcome to the Neighborhood. And now let's do the unboxing. So now it's unboxed to see what the disc is doing. And the episodes include Daniel's birthday, Daniel's picnic, and Neighbor Day. Its running time is 60 minutes. You see here's the DVD disc. And there's an activity page. Okay, let's put it into the DVD player tablet. Now here is the DVD menu. Here's an episode selection. It's Daniel's birthday and Daniel picnic and Neighbor Day. Let's go to main menu. This coloring page is an activity, setup. I don't want subtitles, thank you. Here's pbs.org. His theme song, I will not get copyrighted.
Hi neighbor. Today it's my birthday. We're going to have a birthday party. Then we're going to the park for a picnic. And you're coming too. And I'll be right back. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
It's Daniel Tiger's neighborhood, a land of make-believe. Won't you ride along with me?
Right along.
It's Daniel Tiger's neighborhood, so much to do, so much to see. Won't you ride along with me?
Right along.
I've got lots of friends for you to meet in this land of make-believe. A friendly face on every street, just waiting to greet you. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Daniel Tiger's neighborhood.
That was an unboxing and review of this DVD. I'll do the next unboxing video. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
You're watching PBS.